Hello everyone, today I'm going to give a solution for Hipaint users. Many asked me there is a gap between the line stroke and the filling that we make in Hipaint. So this is the gap that we get. I will show you how to fix this issue in Hipaint. So we usually fill the color in Hipaint in two ways, either by bucket tool or color drop. In both the way, you may have faced this gap issue. So that's actually because you didn't set the bucket tool parameters properly. The thing is, if you change the parameter details in bucket tool, it will reflect automatically on the color fills because the process, the no purpose is same for the color drop and bucket tool. So first way you just use the color drop, and second way you use the bucket tool. In both ways you have seen this gap. So how to fix this? Many asked me in the comment section. So I will tell you. Some may fill that gap with the brush strokes like this. So no, that's not the solution. Don't do this. So I will give you the solution for that. So the solution is we have to make some settings in bucket tool. So I will tell you that now. Click on the bucket tool. In either way you can see either the drop, color drop or bucket tool, as I told before, is for the same process for filling. So click on this bucket tool and you can find two parameters here. One is the tolerance and extended edge. And before using the fill extender anything, you can see some layer details here. Click on that into a single layer. That's the usual bucket tool or thing that you have to make sure, because while filling it will consider all the layer together. So keep that in single. That's the extra tip here. And here the extended edge, you may have something like -2, -4, -1, something like that. Due to this issue only you are getting that gap. So if you keep this into 0, minimum, like not too much gap but minimum gap reduction happens. And if you increase the tolerance value, it will reduce by further. If you can see, I just kept it 0 pixel and you can see the gap is drastically reduced. Now I'm going to increase the tolerance value and you can see further it reduced. I don't know whether you're able to see in the camera, but yeah, it actually reduced. And if you go for maximum, it will fill the entire layer no matter what there is an edge or not. So don't go for maximum value, and the tolerance keep something like to the 200 or 215, something like that, and that problem will be fixed. Main thing is extended edge should be 0 when you keep this tolerance as 200. So this is the first solution. Just keep the extended edge at 0 pixel and tolerance as something above 200. The second solution is increase the extended value to 1 pixel, which means that where we want to fill the color, we're going to fill extra 1 pixel. By this the gap can be avoided. Here to test, I'm just reducing the tolerance value below 70%, and here you can see still it's very low tolerance. Due to extended edge 1 pixel, it filled completely and there is no gap. And if you increase the tolerance value also, you can see there is no gap. So the fix is extended edge. Keeping the extended edge at 1 pixel will solve. Though the tolerance value is low or high, doesn't matter. Just keep that value extended edge as 0 or 1. 1 works well. Though you not able to find the exact tolerance, keeping that extended edge at 1% works really well. So keep that in mind. So this is the solution for you who are asked about this. So keep the extended edge at 1 pixel and tolerance as something 200, something like that. Don't go for maximum. So yeah, hope this is very useful information for you. And as I told before, either using the color drop or bucket tool, both for the same purpose, so the settings are same. So by changing the parameters in bucket tool, it works for the color drop as well. So remember that. And if this information is useful, subscribe to my channel and also check my YouTube videos. It will be very useful for you. Here you can see there are so many informative videos, brush details, brush tutorials, artwork, everything you can find in my channel. Please check all the videos and tell me your doubts in the comment section. Also, in particular, if you want something in Hipaint, go to the Hipaint and playlist, and you can find everything about the Hipaint. Thank you for watching. Bye.